A festive event took place at Richard Bowling Elementary as each student received a pair of shoes courtesy of a partnership between Shoes That Fit, Geico, and the Norfolk Alumni Chapter of Delta Sigma Theta sorority. Members of Norfolk City Council and our school board were in attendance.
As you can imagine, there's a lot of excitement here today with the kids. But other than the kids, the staff is excited, and the Geico volunteers and the members of Delta Sigma Theta sorority are excited. This is a chance that gives Geico associates across the country to really get out in the community and make significant impact today.
Over 400 shoes were handed out. According to the school principal, this day could have a lasting effect on the students.
It's going to have a wonderful impact on them. Them receiving free shoes is more than just providing them with footwear. It is providing them with a sense of self-esteem, self-confidence, also building community partnership. Our students are smiling, they are excited, and I just believe that it's going to go a long ways with them.